Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to create 3D objects in your model. There are three main ways to make 3D objects. The first way is through the object library that appears on the left side of your screen. Simply click and drag an object you want from the library into your 3D model space. If you want multiple of the same object, you can simply click on one of the objects and you enter an object placing mode. Your mouse will then add an object every time you click. And when you want to exit this mode, you can simply right-click. Notice how my mouse changes shape when it's in that editing mode. The second way to add objects in your model is by double-clicking in the 3D space. A quick library will appear where you double-clicked, full of the same objects you saw on the left. Simply select the object that you want from this menu and it'll appear. The last way to add objects into your model is by making a connection from an existing object into empty space. There are two main types of connections you can make: an output connection, or an A connection, and a central connection, or an S connection. Their names come from their shortcuts. You can hold down an A or S key on your keyboard, select an object, then select empty space in your 3D space. When you create an A connection from an object into empty space, it will give you a smaller library with objects that can have an input connection from that existing object. The same thing goes for S connections. You will get a different menu because different things can have central connections. Notice the difference in the connections. One has an arrow and one has a square. These are the three ways that you can make 3D objects in your model.